Hello everyone, I am Solomon from Scinai BioServices, and I'm thrilled to welcome Gadi Klausfeld and Esti Rosen, co-founders of Hopec Pharma. Gadi, Esti, thank you for choosing Scinai BioServices to support your project. Also here with us is Dr. Tehila Sonnenfeld, Director of Production at Scinai BioServices, and we are excited to share your experience.
Thank you, Solomon. We are also very happy to be here. Hopec Pharma was founded to bring a completely new approach to bladder cancer treatment. Our mission is to transform innovation into real solutions that make a difference for patients.
Gadi, can you tell us more about your product and what makes it so unique?
Well, Solomon, we're developing a novel immunotherapy for patients with non-muscle invasive bladder cancer. Our therapy is based on a unique inactivated Hopec bacteria strain designed to completely be safe while stimulating a powerful local immune response. What makes it unique is its dual mechanism, activating both T cells and NK cells through mannose binding, which creates a direct and effective attack against the cancer cells in the bladder. This is a first-in-class innovation that offers a true alternative to BCG with potential to change the standard of care for a lot of patients.
Tehila, can you tell us about the scope of the project?
Sure. So when we first met Hopec's team, we were all excited about the unique technology they presented. We quickly realized that in order to support their goals, we needed to carefully design a tailored manufacturing process along with the right in-process controls and testing. Our focus was to ensure the program would meet strict GMP standards and be fully aligned with regulatory requirements for a first-in-human clinical trial. This collaboration allowed us to combine their innovation with our experience in GMP production and ultimately deliver a robust process ready for clinical setting. But I gotta say that for us, it wasn't just about the technical aspect, but about building something together, combining their innovation with our hands-on experience in GMP production. That spirit of partnership made the journey both exciting and meaningful for everyone involved. Esti, can you tell us what stood out to you about working with Scinai compared to other CDMOs?
Well, what really stood out to us in working with you with Scinai is your holistic approach. It went far beyond manufacturing. You supported us end to end, from process consulting to gap analysis, workflow optimization, and ensuring regulatory, quality, and commercial consideration. For us as a biotech startup, it is a critical, and it was a great support. As you know, many projects stall because the development becomes too expensive or inefficient. And with Scinai, we were able to create a process that is efficient, scalable, and commercially valuable. Your expertise and support allow us to move forward quickly and with confidence.
Gadi, is there anything you can share with us about the success of this project from your perspective?
Well, the success of this project came from a combination of high-quality execution, deep expertise, and result-driven partnership. Scinai delivers far beyond the standard CDMO service, with helping innovators like us, like Hopec, bring therapies closer to patients.
Tehila, would you like to summarize from your perspective?
So I think that as Gadi nicely described, it was the collaborative spirit and professionalism of everyone involved, along with Hopec's innovative approach that made this a successful and exciting experience for all of us.
Thank you all. Thank you, Esti. Thank you, Gadi. Thank you, Tehila. It's inspiring for us at Scinai to work with innovators like Hopec, and it's inspiring to see how this collaboration can accelerate biotech innovation.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Thank you, everyone.
Good luck, everyone. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.